How to custom who can see your stories on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to custom who can see your stories on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and click these three lines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now click posts, and then click who can see your stories, and then just click custom, and then just select who can see your stories, and then just go back, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.